Afternoon, everyone. It's a few minutes before 1 on Thursday, the 20th, and I just wanted to give you a little bit of an update on the futures markets in particular. Mostly about the metals, but I will show you that the grains are again higher, with the exception of the wheat and oats, which have just dramatically risen. Um, and the oil, which tried the lows at 84.73, are now 86.32 with a high of 87.10. I'm guessing that the nat gas is down on for the same reason that the heating oil is, and that is some warmer weather. Gasoline, on the other hand, is up another 2 cents. What I really wanted to focus on were the precious metals. And here's the situation: we're getting a pretty major divergence here between gold and the rest of the metals. As you can see, gold is roughly unchanged, down 30 cents, which is only 2/100ths of a percent. And we're running into the supply here above 1852, 1850, maybe even back to this low around 1848. Today's high, coincidentally, is 1848. 50. So we're down ever so slightly after a pretty decent run this week from a low of 18 up to, as I said, 1848. So $40 move, and that $40 move is roughly 2%. Let's take a look at what the silver is doing, though. Silver is up 49 cents today, and for the week, where it started the week with a low of 22.80, 22.82, is currently trading 24.73. Now, today's action is a 2% move in and of itself. Yesterday's action was up 73 cents. Tuesday's action after the holiday was up 57 cents. So what we have here is a move from under 23 to a move of almost 25. And that to me looks like 10%. And again, same situation as the gold. It's coming into some supply up here near the recent recovery high. But the divergence is stunning. Let's go to the platinum. Platinum is up today $25. So it sells for roughly 55 or 60% of gold, but it's up more today than gold is up for the entire week. The platinum had a low of 960 and a high of 1057. So that's $100 on $1,000 commodity. So again, we're looking at roughly 10%. The last one is palladium. It is the most expensive of all the metals here, rarest, and it has this week gone from a close last week of 1878 to 2085. So that too is about $200, which is about 10%. It's up 2.87% this morning, which is more than the gold is up on this entire run. The palladium has a little less supply up here. It should be a little bit of an issue, but I'm not really sure. And the dollar has sort of gotten quiet here after, a real drubbing last week. So these are the issues relative to inflation. If the dollar gets weak or weaker, metals should go up because inflation is going up. And you can see that last week we came down from, let's see, we started the week at around 96 and a quarter, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. and we got down as low as 94.56. I've mentioned this before. These are unusual moves on a percentage basis, moves that used to take substantially longer. Now we've rallied up, but where are we? We're right into the supply here. And, you know, I think fundamentally, as I've shared repeatedly ad nauseum, um, the fundamentals for the dollar are very negative. All right, everyone, just wanted to keep you up to date, and be sure to let me know if you have an interest in a totally passive, paid for only by percentage of profits trading program. Thanks.